Kiran Gupta, and for today's video, I will be doing the correction of the exercise that I have given you in the last video, and my today's topic that I am going to teach you. Now let's do not waste the time and let's move to our work. Bali said to Ashok, "You are a good boy." तो बलि ने अशोक को कहा कि अशोक एक अच्छा लड़का है। तो अशोक को किसने कहा? बलि ने। और क्या कहा कि अशोक एक अच्छा बच्चा है। So what we will write in English in indirect speech? We will write, Bali told Ashok that he was a good boy. बलि ने अशोक से कहा कि अशोक एक अच्छा बच्चा है। Okay, getting to my point. Now, Ram said to me, I am reading a book. मतलब राम ने मुझे कहा कि मैं अभी बुक पढ़ रहा हूँ। ये मैंने नहीं कहा राम को, ये राम ने मुझे कहा है कि मैं अभी बुक पढ़ रहा हूँ। तो राम सेड टू मी मीन्स उसने मेरे को कहा कि वो बुक पढ़ रहा है। आई एम सेइंग माय because in sentence it is there. So the answer will be, Ram told me that I am reading a book changes to he was reading a book. Okay, now see it. Ram told me that he was reading a book. Now let's see the third. Mohan said to Raman, I will go to Delhi tomorrow. Wait for a minute. Yes, tomorrow. So our answer will be first. Mohan said to Raman. मोहन ने रमन से कहा कि वो कल दिल्ली जाएगा। तो ये बात किसने कही कि वो कल दिल्ली जाएगा? मोहन ने रमन से कही कि वो कल दिल्ली जाएगा। So our answer will be, Mohan said to Raman that he will change this to would. He would go to Delhi. He would go to Delhi. Tomorrow changes to the next day. So let's see the answer. Mohan told Raman that he would go will remain go only. You already know in future tense we don't change the tense. He would go to Delhi the next day, not tomorrow. In indirect speech, tomorrow changes to the next day. Now let's see the fourth sentence. Batra said, I am busy now. आपको तो इजी लग रहा होगा, पर इसमें भी आप एक गलती करोगे। क्या गलती होगी? वो होगी नाउ की गलती। आप नाउ को नाउ लिख दोगे, बट नाउ changes to then. So Batra said that she was busy then. Okay. अगर so yes, wait for a minute guys. Now will change is to then. Getting to my point. Now let's see our fifth sentence. He said to me, I will help you. So उसने मुझे कहा कि वो मेरी हेल्प करेगा। So in English we write, he said to me that he would help me. Why would? Because in indirect speech, will change is to would. So let's see the answer only. He told me that he would help me. Okay. Now, let's see our sixth sentence. Tom says, it is a very important sentence. Please listen to me very, very carefully. There is no ink in the ink pot. अब guys आप इसमें एक गलती करोगे, आप टेंस चेंज कर दोगे. Tom says आप लिख दोगे कि Tom says that there was no ink in the ink pot. So, but we don't change the tense because our word says is there. Why it says is there? Says means the present tense. जो इंक में देयर इज नो इंक इन द इंक पॉट वो प्रेजेंट में हो रही है. ये तो नहीं कि पहले इंक पॉट में इंक नहीं थी, वो हो रही है अभी. सो फॉर अभी वी डू नॉट चेंज द टेंस ऑफ इट एंड राइट सेम ओनली, बट वी विल ऐड अ कंजक्शन दैट इज दैट. सो द आंसर विल बी Tom says that there is no ink in the ink pot. Now let's see our sentence 7. Anil said to Radha, Sunil was going for a walk. अब मैंने बता दिया था आपको, said to will change into told, was going will change into had been going. The answer will be Anil told Radha that Sunil had been going for a walk. Getting to my point. So without wasting our time, let's move to our today's topic. Now, questions in indirect speech. So if there is a question sentence, what you will do? अगर उसमें क्वेश्चन हुआ, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वेयर आर यू गोइंग, अगर इसमें क्वेश्चन हुआ तो आप टोल्ड भी नहीं लिख सकते, सेड भी नहीं लिख सकते. फिर उसके लिए हमें क्या यूज करना पड़ेगा? लेट्स सी हियर. इफ इन द एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क इज देयर, so the reporting verb is changed into ask, inquire, demand. For example, he said to Rahul, what is your name? So, in indirect speech, the answer will be, he asked Rahul. Why asked? Because if we will definitely use ask. Okay, so he asked Rahul what his name was. अब गाइस इसमें आपको प्रॉब्लम होगी, what is your name? So wait for a minute. Yes. Okay. अब मैं लिखता हूँ इसमें what is your, oh shit, wait for a minute, is this, yes, what is your name? So you will reply my name is, if someone is asking in you in the present. So guys, same thing in this sentence. उसने राहुल से पूछा कि उसका नाम क्या है, तो जो थर्ड पर्सन बोलेगा वो कैसे बोलेगा कि he asked Rahul what his name was. Why his? क्योंकि वो राहुल का पूछ रहा है, तो हम was तो आपको पता ही है टेंस तो चेंज हो जाता है. He asked Rahul what his name was. Okay, getting to my point. Please remember this thing in your mind. We answer always For an example, are you? No. No. I will give you an exercise related to it. Then I will show you. So see this line. It is a very important line. So remember that in a question we will not put that after the second sentence. We will simply write the sentence. That is after ask. तो गाइज इसमें हमको दैट नहीं लगाना है कि आज राहुल दैट, हमें सिंपली ही आज राहुल ही, so we will not put that. And the answer of it is what name was. Okay, so let's move to our next slide. Remember, don't put inquire, inquired or demanded. I may say inquired is not there. By mistake I written inquired or demanded in a question sentence of indirect speech. Inquired and demanded are not in your course. Only asked is in your course. These words are for knowledge. So guys, inquire और demand आपको इतना नहीं याद करना है, आपको खाली किस पे फोकस करना है, that is ask. Yes. Now हम इसकी एक्सरसाइज भी कर लेते हैं, but before doing this exercise, let's read it. Keep this thing in your mind that the tense will also change. And for example, which is your book changes to which is, if it is his or her, which his or her book was. Okay, हम उसका टेंस भी चेंज करेंगे. So exercise 1 related to ask. What is happening with me, guys? I don't know only. Oh, it is a eraser. Okay. So exercise 1, let's start it doing. First, let me copy this full exercise and let's move to our whiteboard. Yes, these are our sentences. So for the first sentence, we will write the answers are in green. So guys, the answer for the first sentence will be yes. Yes. He said, where do you come from? See guys, here is a question mark. Here is a question mark. So our answer will be he asked where, what we will write, where he came, F-R-O-M, where he came from. Why came? Can anyone tell? Came is there because do plus came, sorry, it is come, do plus come is equals to came in indirect speech. Okay, guys. So let's see our second sentence. That is second. What do you want? He said to her. So he said to her will be he-asked. He asked her. So do plus want is equals to the past tense. He asked her that will not be put. What she wanted, what she wanted is the correct answer of third. Now, sorry, second. Now let's see third. He said, how is your mother? So guys, I have not put a question mark. So you put, if you are writing a question mark, it's my fault. So much sorry of you all for you. Now, he said, how is your mother? So he said will reporting verb will change into asked. So he asked. He asked. He said, how is your mother? So the answer will be he asked how my mother was. Why? Because if changes into was, and whenever we answer like this only. अब for an example मैं बोलूँ how is your mother, तो क्या बोलोगे आप? My mother is fine. अब ये तो नहीं बोलोगे my was mother fine. It will be a wrong sentence and a non-meaningful sentence. So we will write, he asked how my mother was. So without wasting our time, let's move to fourth. I said to her, which is your book? So I said to her changed into I-A-S-K-E-D. I asked her which her book was. Now let me explain you. I said to her, मैंने उससे पूछा कि तुम्हारी बुक कहाँ है? ओके, मैंने उससे पूछा कि उसकी बुक कहाँ है. ठीक है, तो हम जब रिप्लाई देंगे तो मैंने उससे पूछा कि तो नहीं आएगा इसमें. I asked her which her book was is the correct answer of fourth. So without wasting our time, wait for a minute. You can see as much you wanted. I hope you have seen. So let me erase them. And let's move to and very much important thing, that is our introductory verb. What is the introductory verb? The verb which tells us the answer of yes or no. And for yes or no, we will use if or W H E T H E R. So first, let's see the examples. Introductory verbs are whether और if. ये दो ही होते हैं guys. एक तो होता है whether और एक है इफ। किसी को भी पुट कर लो, आपका आंसर हमेशा करेक्ट जाएगा। These verbs are when used when in the questions there is an answer of yes or no. तो गाइस मैंने आपको बता ही दिया था कि ये ऐसे वर्ड, ये वेदर और इफ जब यूज होते हैं जब इसमें हमसे यस और नो का आंसर पूछते हैं। नाउ फॉर एन एग्जांपल, डू यू वांट एप्पल? सो द whom you saying will reply in the answer of yes or no. यही तो कहेगा, नहीं मेरे को नहीं चाहिए, हाँ मेरे को चाहिए, कुछ और तो नहीं बदलेगा इसका। नो। सो लेट्स रीड द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल। राधा said to Raman, do you want to play cricket? अब मैं क्वेश्चन मार्क लगा देता हूँ। अब इसमें बताओ मेरे को इसका आंसर क्या होगा। आपको आज ही पुट करना है, डोंट वरी, आपको आज ही पुट करना है। पर जो इंट्रोडक्टरी वर्ड्स होते हैं, आज में तो मैंने आपको बता दिया था कि आपको दैट यूज नहीं करना है, क्योंकि उनमें यस और नो का आंसर हमें नहीं मिल रहा था। अब ये हमारे इंट्रोडक्टरी वर्ड्स हैं, तो उसमें हम आज भी पुट करेंगे, और या तो वेदर पुट कर सकते हैं या तो इफ भी पुट कर सकते हैं। तो द आंसर विल बी राधा asked Raman if he wanted to play cricket. So do plus want changes to the past tense, that is W-A-N-T-E. Let me erase it, it is not looking good. So I will explain you one time also if you don't understand them. Introductory words, wait for a minute guys. अब देखो मैं आपको इंट्रोडक्टरी वर्ड्स ही बताऊंगा। यस यस और नो is equals to an इंट्रोडक्टरी सेंटेंस। तो गाइस जब भी हुआ कि हमको यस और नो में आंसर देना है, तो या तो हम वेदर भी यूज कर सकते हैं और या तो हम इफ भी यूज कर सकते हैं। गेटिंग टू माय पॉइंट, हम या तो वेदर भी यूज कर सकते हैं और या तो हम इफ भी यूज कर सकते हैं। तो गाइस आप इसको पढ़ोगे तो ये सच एन इजी चैप्टर, ये इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच सच एन इजी चैप्टर की आप खुद बोलोगे कि मजा आ गया। Okay, I don't know what I'm writing only. Yes. So, this is your today's homework. ये जो जितनी भी आपको एक्सरसाइजेस दिख रही हैं, ये आपका आज का होमवर्क है। So you have to do this in a rough sheet. Guys, it is your choice. You have to do or not. ये आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है। आपको अगर वीडियो देखना है तो आप देख सकते हैं। आई एम मेकिंग द वीडियो फॉर योर नॉलेज ओनली, क्योंकि थोड़े से बच्चों की ऑनलाइन क्लासेस नहीं चल रही हैं कई स्कूल में बिकॉज ऑफ सम इश्यूज, यू ऑल्सो नो गाइस। सो प्लीज डू these 10 questions related to what I have done in these 3 videos. Don't scare of anyone, that आप टेंशन में मत आ जाना कि इसमें तो रॉन्ग हो गया, क्या करें। डू एकदम, मतलब आप इसको एकदम कूल मूड में करना, यही सोचना कि मेरे को आता है। ओके, so I promise you that I will explain you again also. नहीं समझ आए तो आपको इंट्रोडक्टरी वर्ड्स वो होते हैं जो हमें यस और नो का, यस और नो में हमें आंसर देते हैं। फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, राधा सेड टू रमन, डू यू वांट टू प्ले क्रिकेट? अब इसमें हमारा आंसर क्या होगा? राधा आस्क्ड रमन इफ, हम इफ काट दो, वेदर भी यूज कर सकते हैं, WHETHE, वेदर भी यूज कर सकते हैं। वेदर ही वांटेड टू प्ले क्रिकेट, or if he wanted to play cricket. So I hope guys you have understood till here. This is your exercise of today. So that's all for today. Please like and subscribe our channel.